guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Emma. Merry Vlogmas. Today we have another craft video for you and we're going to show you how to create pictures on glass pictures using chalk pens or glass pens, and you can use it on photo frames, on windows, on mirrors, anywhere like that that would add something unique to your Christmas decorations. And actually, it'd be really good if you were giving someone a gift, a photo in a frame, you could actually add to it by adding some decorations. My sister, of course, is here to help me because I can't do it, but she's brilliant. I'll leave her Instagram name below for you to go and check out her channel, guys. She has loads of crafts. Come on, guys, let me come and show you how to make these glass decorations.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare Him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
If you wanted to use objects to draw around, then I wouldn't be able to draw a circle. My sister's really good. I'd be hopeless. And for your baubles, it could be anything on there. It could be snow, it could be snowflakes, whatever it could even be patterns. You know, it doesn't have to be anything. We are using glass pens at the moment, but you can actually use chalk pens as well. Just use anything lying around the house, guys. Don't make it hard for yourselves. You know, you could do fruit actually, like Christmas fruit. You could draw a wreath on there.
Sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. Sing joy, sing joy, sing joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of His righteousness and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love.
You know, be creative. Just have a go, guys, have a practice. You might want to practice your design on some paper maybe beforehand, so you sort of have an idea of what you'd like to draw. You could even put your design underneath the photo frame actually, on the blank bit, and then trace over it. If you're not confident drawing, you could do that as well. That is another option. Another design for you guys, this is design number 2. You could create 3 wreaths, which we're going to show now. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, don't worry about it. If you want to have circles underneath, you can do. Create 3 wreaths like this, and then fill them in. Add some calligraphy. Check out our calligraphy vlog. There are some letters for you to download in the description. Free of charge, we're not paid for it, it's all our own work. Well, not my work, it's my sister's work. inside you could actually place photos of really treasured people in your family. It could be pets, it could be family members. It could be you on 3 favourite events from this year. It could be anything, couldn't it? It doesn't even have to be just for Christmas. You could do this for anything. It could be a birthday.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring.
Remember guys to check out our links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow us on socials. We are on Facebook and Instagram. We'll put the little links on here. Please consider subscribing too. It's free to subscribe. Please throw us a thumbs up or leave a comment in the description. If you just add a thumbs up, it just means that our videos are shown more. It just helps the algorithm. That's all. We hope you really enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow on our next Vlogmas. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye.